I want to encourage everyone to never stop dreaming. No matter what it is you want to do or become or have, it all starts in your own wonderful human imagination, which is God, as a dream. What some would call a lofty ambition or vision of what could be. But always remember, your dreams are the master copy of what appears in this 3D world of shadows we call our current reality. Meaning that every dream is on that copy machine, just waiting to come out of the other side and fall down here to earth, directly to you, at your feet, or landing directly into your lap. I've learned over the years that so many people are so afraid to dream and set the bar too high because they feel like their lives or the people in their lives won't be able to meet the metric of what they really want. So they choose to aim lower to not be disappointed by the looming feared and expected failure. The great poet Maya Angelou once said that graveyards are filled with so many dreams deferred, and that so many people die with those dreams and desires inside of them unfulfilled. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine going to your grave with all of those what ifs because you lived in fear of failure? Whatever your God brain tells you to do it. Don't be afraid. Don't be concerned with how crazy your dream or your vision is. Just do it. Think about all of the people who told the Wright brothers they were completely insane about building the very first aircraft, and look at all of the planes and jets we see today. What if they let that dream die inside of them and they both went to their graves? Or for all of my black listeners out here, what if Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. never had a dream? Imagine that. Imagine he had no dream and he just gave up. Where would we be if he didn't have that dream? You never know the ripple effect that your dream can have on other people, your family, your children, husband, wife, whatever. So if you're the only person in your circle who is fortunate enough to know that you are God, just imagine what your dreams can do for the people who don't know their God, or who don't necessarily care that they're God because they're so wrapped up in some other dogma of bullshit. You can not only create for yourself with your dreams, you can create for others with your dreams. So it's not really all just about you. What you do can change the lives of other people as well as changing your own life. How amazing is that? Neville Goddard says repeatedly, as a matter of fact, everything made, or in this case, everything dreamed, all started in the mind, in the wonderful human imagination. That's where dreams are created, and that's where they live. That's where dreams are conceived, in your own God mind. Everything comes from there. You see it there first, and then it is copied into this 3D world of shadows. So literally, anything that you're thinking or that you're wanting, it all starts in the same place. And you just hit the copy button. Comes out of the other side of the copy machine and falls down here to this plane we call Earth, and it's ours every time. Don't let people call what you want in life a pipe dream, or for them to tell you that you're just daydreaming. Let me tell you something. As a little kid, I would daydream all day long, because in that world, I could be anything, I could do anything. In that world called my own wonderful human imagination, I could do, be, or have anything. Back then, I didn't know that I was paving the road to a wonderful life, to the beautiful life I have right now. I don't care what I accomplish or how much financial success that I have or will have, I will never stop dreaming. We literally can't stop dreaming because that is the creative process. It all starts there. So no matter what it is, or how outlandish or how big your dreams are. I encourage big dreams. I mean, who wants small dreams? Nobody wants that shit. I know I certainly don't. Dream as big as you can. And then after that, dream even bigger. These are not just words for me, they are reality. Anything that comes into my mind, I'm just thinking to myself, wow, I wonder what this is going to be like once it is delivered to my feet. Right now, it's just in my wonderful God mind, but oh, what an experience it will be once it's delivered to me. And once I have it in this 3D world where I can enjoy it with my body and all of my senses. I want to encourage all of my listeners to stay in your dream state. Stay in your own wonderful human imagination, your God mind, and never wake up to the reality of what you do not want. It all starts with you. It all starts with God, who is you. Don't ever forget that. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video. I really felt so inspired making it, and I hope that it helps someone. As usual, I want to thank you for listening. Thank you, as usual, for all of your love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye, everybody.